Tell me a bit about that. Where's
It's just unfortunate to compare I think for us those are small tournaments.
Wow.
If you can check the number of years by operating us and the number of years business, then you can tell which there's something in a chance. So we think our tournament is the biggest compared to Lanka.
The intro of again. But ilokishi livukile Joe, it's game time. Ikasidi skill shisi quarter, we making headlines. But Sneak Park is pupile, but no it's nightmare time. What a tournament, what a tournament. Nkuluma ngaye kasi World Cup, Snekeneke Pre-festival tournament. Very nice, very nice. So today I'm patanga ama isoka player, but I've got one of Amajita in the background who are working tirelessly just to make sure that the tournament is a success. Abamaziyo bathi utso abosistere bathi abuti thapo mari oledi lithi umthapane sweet welcome mfana Travelers Paradise kamaleshona. So it's a tournament unfolding mfana. I thought no, it's a very medicines involved and trying to get to Wenzagalani, how did it come about, who's working there, Wenzagalani, what's the mission and everything. So it's just gonna be a quick one too so yeah, we'll soon nabobani because I'm gonna flag when I'm thinking mhlamba abantu abangaphandle wawe afika azoyenza tournament ekasi. What's happening there?
Yeah, sure. Igama lami nguSipho njengoba kade singintroduceile. Sure. Simple lento lena ne thina si organization called Soweto Young Men United. It deals specifically in gender based violence. So much nge gender based violence, so sibonile ukuthi the safest space for amajita ukuthi bakhuluma ngenkinga zabo is through sports. Then sahlangana neDoronko Students Foundation. I-Doronko Students Foundation ihlangane ne-Boy Child Foundation. Then kune-soccer team la intwana ezincane, ama-division from under 12 to the first team. So sathi manje masingahlanganisa sayenza into ehambayo, sayenza i-tournament yasekhasi, so that amajita can then sit together and bakhulume ngenkinga zabo, because it's not easy for amajita to open up and speak about their own problems. But once you find an atmosphere efana yase-tournament, it becomes easy for Amajita to open up and speak about the challenges that they are confronted with on a day-to-day basis.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, no, clear. But I think because now it has become something else. It has become something else. I was just telling Ulana before last week we went Namachan City Shop beer with all those of 106. We want to be the first people there to stand the secret. But must figure that people already there. Bavuye 3, abantu bavuye 2 nani. Actually, we are figure wayenza business before the fans could even come lapayana. So I think ni achieve na beyond.
Yeah, yona ngasho ukuthi sisazama.
Yeah.
Asaka feel asifuna ukuyakhona. And the reason ngithole so late is because prior game lokuqala ukunama community engagement wezitshela i-community ukuthi bafethu sine tournament so and then sonke singa benefit. We did not want to hold i-community at ransom ukuthi babone ikarisi ziyafika laphayana abantu bayabona ababhayisa abayenza ifokolo so saba nama public meeting, public engagements, informing them about the tournament nokuthi select economicals, and we don't want other people from outside to come and benefit. Lento lena yabantu base Snake Park, and people from Snake Park must benefit out of this thing. So the community was already aware ukuthi kuyenzakala building up to the daily tournament.
Yes, wow. Sure. Wow. Okay, now sister ufuna une question. I think uthashe nama page gender based nandana ufuna ukungena. So you can just ask.
Hi Tepo.
Hi, good chance.
Ngiyaphila. Ngikuza ukhuluma gender based violence, but now I'm wondering ukuthi how are women involved with the whole thing, because if it's gender, each gender is very broad. but yeah, like the gays, whatever. So how is everyone involved with the whole thing? Because it sounds like only male are involved. I don't know, but
Okay.
correct me if I'm wrong.
You are 100% correct. But you see, Tina, as is with Young Men United, pioneers of chess session,
Yeah.
ne? We deal strictly namachita because we have observed throughout the years ukuthi amachita yiwi problem and amachita wakhulumi esikhathini esibaye wabo. And if ungacheka abantu abaningi okama-perpetrators amachita wabo. So Tina, we want to come up with a solution emachiteni so that it becomes easier for them to treat our abafazi babo as queens and princesses.
Yeah.
So our main focus is strictly on amachiteni naku a boy child.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Nice. So you mentioned organizational defense. So you said it's a Toronto Student Foundation. You said it's his sessions. Nani
Ne boy child
for
foundation.
Foundation. Wow. Very nice, Doc. Ngifuna singene diskini again.
Sure.
So how does it happen? Do you just take any other team, or do you want to make sure ukuthi ama-team enwalethayo ama-team azo attract a crowd, ama-team athize? Is there anything enibhekayo manje usetha ama-team?
Sure, it's not about attracting a crowd.
Yeah.
But it's about the community being part of this thing. So CKP poster 2 months before,
Yeah.
so that whoever or interested must come and join.
Oh.
So it's not about sifuna members.
Yeah.
Kuba first come first serve.
Oh.
Yabo sebenza kanjalo. First come first serve.
So there's nothing special ngala-team ada ukuthi nje bafike kuqala and it was the first 32.
There's nothing special.
Okay.
It's just nje pure talent eyenza ukuthi babe special because we did not know ukuthi umambazi kunabo sikhwama kunabo tiki kunabo bani. You just invited teams. Asibazi thina labafana abadlala ibhola ngamagama.
Yeah.
But sibabona abala ba show off talent labo. So yeah.
Wow. Because I know ukuthi last year it was the first annual, right?
Yes.
So this year is the second annual. But already senifake igama elithi Kasi World Cup. Was leya last year a success ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi this is too much?
Last year we success. Remember yokuqala.
Yeah.
Yabona and nathi besinga expectanga ukuthi kuzoba the way bengakhona.
Yeah.
Yabona. So igama iKasi World Cup akusigama lize ngathi.
Yeah.
But lize ngamajita waseKasi. Yabona. Ekade babonisa appreciation to tournament because beletha abantu from different Kasis.
Yeah.
Ebaletha in one place.
Yeah.
Yabona. If you can check now, it's not only people from Soweto.
Yeah.
Not only people from Gauteng,
Yeah.
but the whole country is here.
Wow.
Yeah, and everybody is speaking about this thing. Therefore, much as such Elena, you welcome. Then we took the name
Yeah.
and such he pre-festive games Kasi World Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because na last bangibheka ama-pics lapha ku social media ngibona nosijava amongst ama-fans laphayana like uhleli it's nice.
Yeah, usijava ube nenhlanhla ukuthi ashawa ama-camera yabona.
Yeah.
But babaya abantu abafikayo la.
Bye-bye.
It's too much. It's too much. Maybe ukuthi usijava ufike wire straight ebantwini.
Yeah.
But nabantu abafika ematendeni like last time we had Orlando neClub. Orlando Queen.
Oh yeah,
Coach
yeah.
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Black Poison. Iyadlala futhi namhlanje.
Yeah.
Abo Steve Kompela, bazile laphayana.
Wow.
Ama-player abhayi nawo lepasa abasekasi lethu
Yeah,
bakhona
sure.
obviously
Bakhona,
bayakhuphula iflag lasekasi yabo. So
Wow.
everybody has from every corner ye-country.
So apart from amajita azizela kanje nina njengamajita mhlamba hlanganisa the whole thing, do you gather ama-gents ama-scouts or anything ukuthi azo-scounta i-talent or what's up with that?
No, abantu bayazela, abantu bayazicountela because once you start gathering, then you want to benefit from whatever that is happening there. So we said it's open to everybody. If we scout for a player, just go there. I-player malithanda ukhulume nalo, ukhulume ne-team yakhe, then uthatha i-player, ulenza ukuthi lishine at the end of the day. It's not about us, but it's about the community.
Yeah, wow. And then ngiyabona the prize money last year keep it clip nathi ayincane manje le mali athi senze something. So it's 150,000 rand manje.
Sure.
And ithola iwinner, then the second prize ithola something.
Ithola 50.
Wow.
Yeah, then
Wow.
number 3 and number 4 bathola ama 3,000. Namajezi ke amahle blind.
Wow.
Not just cheese nyana la China City.
Yeah.
Cheese a proper cheese. Yazi lento lezi motivator bra.
Yeah.
And I remember ukuthi nekasile chikazi kade balibhekela phansi.
Exactly.
So sesiyenza vele ngenkani ukuthi hayi
Ngenkani.
phela Sneak Park wonke amagazi is the only gas ngena ATM.
Yeah.
Yabona
True.
asina ATM nyakuthi sesifuna imali manje. Kumele sidobuse vele save yabona. So thina sithi hayi because thina sine ability yokuyenza ezinye izinto ukuthi abantu babe sharp.
Yeah.
It is fucking imali ebebhaya la.
Sure.
I want so that people can come and even investors.
Yeah.
The matter so as I attract only football players and scouts.
Yeah.
Even the investors bayabona ukuthi but kune business eyenzakalayo la yabo.
Because for mina nje biqalile the last 16 seyiphelile the last 32 nje base 16 manje like it's a flow smooth no glitch nothing apart from nje lemvule eyashaya amaqedwe kuwini Snekeneke chilasi lapha yana abantu bathi hayi game wayekunetha kangaka besiyahera what epic slogan sabo sithi yes abasho that so ngiyabona ilaw that you have like security guards on board ambulance and everything just to make sure that everything flow smooth.
Sinayo yonke into bayicabanga. Sinamaphoyisa khona deployed until tournament iphela. Sinama paramedic. Obviously adila ngabafana base grounding mabalimala. Even the people outside. If abantu bayalimala abantu bayafeinta iyachisa manje yabona then ambulance iseduze yaba assister and then we have close to 35 securities, but we prefer to call them peace officers.
Peace officers,
yes, because we want to give them dignity as well. Because then there's more to security, than just to cut about. And maintaining order about more than 5,000. And so it's simple, but asilu nabantu. As for them to push nabantu, China to maintain order at all times. So everything is well organized, Bram. In terms of his safety, and again, so and the foot is landela strict COVID regulations. If you can check, abantu buy sanitizer from time to time, bafagama mask, and then abanye vaccinated. What's nice about us is that around September we had a vaccine drive. Abantu base Sneak Park. Wow. It's in a pop-up vaccination center, so that and then we encourage people about Sandipol. If you love football, we're gonna have a tournament, and we don't want to have challenges in terms of spreading the virus. So let us try to minimize because we cannot end it. As then is vaccinated, and in numbers. First day, I think we vaccinated about more than 450. Even about doctor kateba chukile ukuthi abantu abangakathi nasikhathi sabathola kulama pop-up center and then saza bakhona yakhuphuka inamba then beyitrain and yokugcina last day bekuweza kuzoba phela into lezo because besiz prepare yabona knowing ukuthi kune virus ekhona we have to take ama precautions in terms of making sure ukuthi everybody is safe.
So what we see thina makukhala impempo refa qala ibhola kahle iqale a month 2 months back lento lena working forward yona lento lena na. So another thing yabona it's only been 2 years manje but ngayi compare nabo my money period ngayi compare nabo mahlobo ne Nike tournament already because already say lapho even though it's just 2 years. Because there was a time angazi besiplomile lapho ngitshela ukuthi ngathi Sneak Park siyasakhishwa lezi lonini like tournament nathazi athi tell me a bit about that kwenzakala.
It's just unfortunate ukuthi compare nabo mahlobo nani. I think for us those are small tournaments.
Wow.
If you can check the number of years by operating as and the number of years business then you can tell there's something in a chance. So we think our tournament is the biggest compared to Lanka. And the reason that motivated us kakhulu ukuthi sibe na le tournament le ukuthi la tournament la ngabawarani fair prior yabona uthola kunama conflict of interest amaningi where you have an organizer of the tournament on a team futhi lapho yabona and uzoyenza by hook or crook ukuthi team yakhe iwin yabona and siwulala ibhola masenza kanjalo and as develop into one. Remember ours is to develop into encane.
Correct.
That is why besithi thina sicela ukuthi team at least even 7 abafana ba under 20, then the rest bangaba badala. Because to us it's not about money, it's about developing young talent. So saba ne issue like udlala Snake Park ne Dube Continental. Imuna sabona umhlolo lapha. Like baba ropa 99. But these people are killing football. We are not here for gambling and stuff, but la ngoba sithanda ibhola. But if ubona ama penalty wajajiwa match official ya interfere lapha yanzathi hayi fuck abayeke ne tournament yabo sozenzile yabona and na iyakhula yabona iyakhula and we are not in competition but now we are developing into ezincane.
No mfana, I'm very proud of what you guys are doing because nenye into njengoba beyinethi imvula lapha nabona abantu beyasancenga amathendeni ukufula mayiloko ikhula zoba ne shelter nyana ukuthi at least siqhubeke silukele ibhola if anything yabo kuyenzakala with amandla mangaba khona of course mfana.
Sure. Sibhizi sisebenza ngalento leyo kakhulu, but what we discovered is that block 7 in terms of zoning, grounding akuse yebhola wabona shopping complex, therefore even if besifuna ukufaka ama grandstand and stuff bonke isikhona, but block 1 just next to Obed Musian that is zoning yakhona ye sporting facility. So if siya negotiate kuba sharp, then we might then win and then go lapha and abasenzele sporting facility, but we are busy with that one.
Very nice, very nice. No mfana,
relax now ungabi tense. Sakuphendula buza.
No, clear. So mfana, Dlala, I think Tricky Boys angazi nani manje. What's been your best team so far?
Mini best team yami obvious. Support any team as a Snake Park. Any team as a Snake Park I support it. So wonga my team as a Snake Park have been the best as far. Sure.
Because last year Benklomeno Gaza he suggested rather with ama team as a Snake Park ngathi angayenza squad kube team ewana thathe imali rather than ukuthi split abanani. What's your take on that?
It's not about money, it's about development. So if since the squad is one, then kuzodlala ama player engaki 11, 24, 15. But if we have 4 teams, if maybe team in 15, we have 4, then it's 15, 30, 45, 60 players ababa exposed, unlike about compressed to one team and then only expose about 15.
Okay. So last year, what happened?
Great answer, no?
So last year, kona mhlambi amajita yabonakala bascouteka or anything, or there's no feedback on that?
Bakhona apha amajita ahambile la but angithi mina ngibazi ngamagama.
Wazi ngamagama.
Ngibona bathi nalona bekadlala bamthule lapha. Nalona bekadlala mara konta lezi ze Pirates angijabona.
Lezi ama twins,
Ezama twins khona noThabiso
Sesane
yasawo and into naziphuma la. Kudolong Cup students as a team ziphume teaming, so I think we are doing good. Mina ngikhuluma ngala bengibazi ngingabazi angifuna ukuchamba manje.
And going back ukuthi akubona ufuna amajita at least under 20 years.
Namakap yabona.
Yakhuli Fred. Ama students yabona badlala ngentwana ezincane too much last week and they compete.
Baya compete mfethu yabona. I think umdala lapha na 21 if not 22.
Wow.
Umdala. Udlalela iprize enkulu kunabantu abana 25 or abana 30 bangazi badlalela this thing, but you are just exposing them to a crowd, a scout, so badlalile badliwe obviously but people were happy and bajabulisa ukuthi into ezincane lapha ngiyadana zabo ma grade 8 grade 9
khona into efaka number 10 nithi makincane
la khuluma yabona wegijima ngakho and hungry for this thing, but mabadliwa lapha yana bakhala bafana abancane because bayafila this thing ukuthi ama
and yabanceda ukuthi baswitch on mabafika mhlambe uma professional yonke mindset say already say on
nabona mazi ezincane kanje phela remember ikhasi lithu mfethu esisana sichawa substance
too much.
Yabona
Too much,
and sifuna ukuba-keep busy at all cost. Namhlanje bayadlala ileague.
Yeah.
Yabona.
Yeah.
And
Ziyakhala.
what's nice about i-Doron students ne-Doron Students Foundation is that nama-division abo my 5 or 6. So namhlanje makuyi-match day adlala wonke ama-division, then iintwana eziboma-135 they are out of the streets. Babhizi babheke ibhola every weekend. Abe 100, more than 150.
Wow.
135, 100 and somewhere there, but more than 100. Intwana encane zisestradini laphana zisebholeni ziyasapotana le division iyadlala mayiceda babukela le division mayiceda babukela le division then. So we are doing quite well, but what's disappointing is that our parents support abantwana babo. It's very much disappointing. Umntana wakho bampraiser everywhere ukuthi hayi ntwana yakhe inswebine talent and but umama kakaza afika nakayo wena baba kakaza afika nakayo wena ukuthi uzobukela incane intwana yakho naye khuthale ukuthi yabona. So we just encouraging parents to come and support their kids. It's mahala. Just make your own time, like since isikhathi masitshwalile, just make time ubukela umntwana wakho adlala ibhola.
Wow. Before I let you go, Mfana, so bugela a game. Ngibona there's t-shirts that you guys are pushing, initiatives and everything. What's up with that?
T-shirt ikhona in a color 3. It's black, white, and grey. It's 150 t-shirt.
Yeah.
But imali esithola laphayana so by school uniform ne-stationary for le ngosozibona laphayana kwama-ball boys support lezi so sigaya early Christmas. So, and what's nice is that people are buying these t-shirts. And kunabantu basilethela ezinye izinto just to add on what thina sobe siyipledgile laphayana. Therefore we are doing quite well.
Wow. So Gwen, this is beyond soccer.
Yeah, it's beyond soccer.
Beyond soccer,
it's beyond soccer, Brian.
Yeah.
And yazi lento lena masoka abantu izinto, some of the things that contribute to gender-based violence. Yeah. If me umntwana ofuna isikolo, into zesikolo, ofuna icatshula zinazo no time une pressure.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ngabe udakiwe, umntwana akanazo zesikolo. Yabo. And uzokhipha le frustration yakho emuntwini yakho ngoba uhlala naye every day, yabona. So we just trying to minimize zonke lezi zinto lezi, coming with solutions ukuthi bafethu asizane sonke so that wena umntwana wakho mangakhona owamakhona ungabonakala ukuthi wami uyakhona wakho akakhona mhlawumbe babe so, yabona. So bazokhutha nabo ke esigela phela lokho mnandi ukuthi esikolweni isibhathu sidabulile mara mangibheka wena into izakho ziphashana, yabona. So sifuna ukuyenza ukuthi kube level for everybody, yabona, level for everybody. And then encourage amajita man ukuthi bayeke ukuhlukumeza kwabo mama, bayeke ukuhlukumeza abafazi. That thing is not nice, that thing is disgusting. Angifuna ukutshela mama ngiyanyanyisa nango umunye uhlapula umntana abantu laphayana asazi what might be the contributing factor. We don't even want to know, but the fact ukuthi umbhutsha lo mntana abantu, it's a problem to us. And yenzo ichita chita, that man is less than 25 years ne tena about 24 years and stuff. Stress ukuthi ungazobe nenhliziyo embi to this extent.
And apparently they're also cousins, fools.
You see.
Okay, I think we've got a question.
Sure.
Going back to the sponsoring yabantwana, but now how do you identify? Because I need to you doing it ukuthi omunye angathi makafaka isicathulo esi omunye abe a, but then like how do you identify laba abazidingayo? Because you can't give to someone who's already privileged. You get me?
Sure.
So how do you identify which Lorna comes from a certain background or whatever the case may be?
Sure. Good question. Angithi sinama team, and then ama team alandelela intwana ezincane if unganothisa kahle. Yabo. So it's very easy if usebenza ngabantwana abancane abayi-15, you can tell ukuthi mara kabo tsepho ngathi ayikhoshapa. Yabo, because that thing is organized yona ngoba yona. That is why sibathathile manje abayenza bo-ball boy babhizi bagijimisa amabhola, yabona. So uyabona na ukuthi ayisani lo ayikhoshapa. Nathi noma sihleli lapha yana sibukela ibhola, then uyabona ukuthi amani lo akafani nabanye abantwana ozali uhlala vanga sharp askaya address, and then we make follow up ne-female, and then sikhulume namazali, and then on the day distribute ngazo, then call the parents bayeza sibanikeza.
Wow, it's proper. Another question.
Yeah, I'm shy. I have time.
Yeah.
Okay, listening to what you're saying, it's also like, okay, you spoke about therapy and whatnot, but do you offer them like professional help, like I'm a psychologist or whatever? Because I think it's a bit important ukuthi naye umntana to find the root of the whatever issue, like yeah.
Yakhumbula ngikhulume ngama-organization that different.
Yeah.
Spoke about Soweto Young Men, spoke about Boy Child Foundation, Netoron Cop Student Foundation. Soweto Young Men United in my pillars. Ne? First pillar, go by a chassis session where much tashala pants are kulumang. Second pillar, go by counseling.
Yeah.
After school, managing as each and then go by counseling where utolama professional. Back is a professional until ubasha. Then the third pillar, obviously, kulumang economy, which I guess Bugel zenzeka. So, case I need money, how do we build businesses, machita? How do we make a difference in our communities? Because I think it's okay for so seven.
Yeah.
Abanye kumele ba create imisebenzi yabo.
Yeah.
So kunama pillars athila ngalento le ngicela ukubuza yona. Sure.
That's very nice. Mfana, ngathanda ukuthi mase iphelele tournament when everything is said and done. Ngiphinde ngikubambe futhi and discuss ukuthi what has happened ever since yangithanda. Yeah, I don't want to keep you for long. Mfana semzini. Uthe wena I will support any team specifically, but is there a specific player or a specific team obona ukuthi is gonna go through?
Mina, I support anything as a snake.
So there's 2 or 3 teams left.
Yeah, it's like 3.
Yeah.
So una machita adlalayo laphayana abo JD,
Yeah.
abo Sanele lo angayi yabo.
Yeah.
Bagre. But that does not make a team. Yabo. If I'm gonna single you out one,
No.
then access a team that thing. Yabo. Mina I support a team as a snake pack because Usanela ngeke khona ukora if akaphaswa ngawutheba. Yabo. So I don't support individuals. Because once we start then supporting individuals, everything revolves around him. So a team as a snake pack must take this thing. But if about compete, then we can't force them with banging to the next round. Then any team can take it, but preferably a team as a cast.
Okay, no. Clear mfethu nimzwile to support anything as a snake pack. Thina si Triplers Paradise to support the initiative amachita ayishonayo is very good for your community. Mfana semzini ngiyabonga ngesikhathi sakho. It was a very dope interview. And to find out basically this is not just football. When you busy disc, but I've learned to there's beyond yenza ama-chance for your community and big ups for that.
No, kuwonga mina mfethu. Kahle bathi umuntu awubonga.
Yeah.
So mina ngibonga wena Brian for ukuthi usikaya opportunity ukuthi sikhulume nawe and then nathi sithole exposure. You see, we are not exposed to into zamalayithi. So at least nami ngiyafunda ezinye izinto yabona.
Sure.
And let's see this thing from time to time. Because
please.
A lot is happening like us, positive pen, zining. But as is capture we only speak about the bad whilst young people, snake park and nani students sharp. People must know about it. We must speak about them. Now more corner who's cheated because not I believe what is the influence nyana la So if there's somebody let's like each and then China some push using our own profiles, obvious. As long as one buys a snake pack, then we
I can't silver.
I can't spell the only cousin in it.
Smith on my top.
Amadobanye 3,000 or 1,000.
Not even 200.
Yeah. Kuluthiwe nase Pick and Pay now we can't even walk there.
Bashay Pick and Pay, baluthe
Magarage. So
awukho ukuthi kade basogona futhi makumele bagawule yabona. So yabona into lezi ezincane lezo futhi. And yabona into lezi amalutha nanani. Ziyadina Brian yabona. In a sense ukuthi ama investors anyakazwakala igazi to invest. Yabona, because you know what usually happens is that when somebody wants to invest money, baqale police station bafuna ama crime stats. And if the stats are too high, I can't risk my money ngifake laphayana because my insurance azoba phezulu. Yabona. So much time awehlisa umoya mfethu sizoba sharp yabona. Bangaphandi nje ebantwini bangamoshela abantu into nento nesikhathi sayo so thola sonke opportunity.
Wow. And with what you guys are doing, I think the future is in good hands. Into encane in good hands.
Phela this thing yomphakathi. Now if you want to be part of this thing, was part faka ama ideas and then see us because ka 2020 akumele ngifana ka 2021 2021 akumele ngifana ka 20 otherwise izofa natural death because predictable bazofika usikhomba dribule badliwe bahamba yabona but you want them to make it different.
All right,
sure.
No asivale mfana sengena nama calls anyway
akasibone mic
kahle wathi nansoke mntanami nansoke ningakhohlwa bafethu it's Dribblers Paradise on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share nabangani benu babone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Thank you siyabonga bafethu.
You